Hi, I'm Evan Joseph, and in this video, we're gonna show you how to trim and shape coily hair. All right, so we're gonna start out by shaping around her face. This is a great way to build confidence with your curly client. We talked prior to her appointment, and we're just going to trim her hair today, but we're gonna start right here in the middle, grabbing each individual curl and just trimming off the end. Make sure everything is connected. And then any dry or stressed ends have been removed. Just pulling each section forward and connecting it to the next. Be respectful of the curl pattern. By cutting the hair dry and in its natural state, you can tailor each haircut to each individual, whether the hair is wavy or really coily like Rose today. Another tip for when cutting curly hair is look at the silhouette. So you can see the silhouette here and just take anything out that doesn't fit. So when you're cutting coily hair, if it's your first time, just remember you're still cutting hair. You still use all the fundamentals that you've learned about cutting curly hair. Just think about what kind of shape you want to create and have a plan and just really cut it how you want to see it. And at the end of every great curl cut, just check the balance. Those are some of my quick tips for dry cutting naturally curly hair.